Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you through a wonderful transformation for this amazing bedroom that happens to be for my sister Yara. Yara's current bedroom is in a state of mess. It is very unorganized and dysfunctional, and it lacks originality and personality. So I'm gonna help her transform her bedroom into a room that she can really come to at the end of the day and feel at home. Her bedroom is gonna be minimal. We're gonna refinish the walls and add new furniture. We're gonna add some touches along the way, so you're gonna have to stick around to see what we do. Hi, Yara.
Hello.
Take us through.
So this is my closet. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I like this corner, but I'm obviously not putting it to use. A lot of a mess. We can probably skip through. Ooh, okay. This is my secondary closet.
I'm ready.
And
Do you mind if we just go in here?
sure. This is a mess. I can block it. So I kind of dump everything on these things. We don't have to get close.
Can you show us? Okay, I just want to take another mini tour for the items that she really likes in this room that she wants to keep. So I want to hear what Yara wants to keep, and I'm going to follow her with the camera to show me what she wants to keep or what she wants to trash.
Okay, yeah, I don't want the bed. I want to keep probably this cushion, maybe.
Okay.
And my little,
Oh my
my little
gosh.
keyboard. I would like to keep the keyboard.
So Yara's a really busy person. She happens to be the CEO of Scoria, so that explains why her room is all over the place. She's a really busy girl.
Yeah, it gets really busy.
Okay.
Also, I probably don't mind trashing everything. Or actually recycling and donating,
Okay.
because I don't want to trash things that are usable, definitely.
Cool,
I
we can
need
do-
to trash this.
They call them the best too.
Probably want to get rid of this. I don't even know what it does here. I don't use it.
Okay, can we see just this for a second? Oh my god, where did this come from? Yikes.
Also this hat I can donate.
Okay, you don't need to give me specific items.
I would love better storage, so if we're able to get rid of this and have a way to store things in a nicer, more efficient, friendly way, that would be great. I'm not attached to that thing. That can go.
Can you see the mess? I hope you can. Okay, so we've heard enough. I think we have a good idea or what we're gonna do. She remembered something, so
We can probably get rid of the shoe rack. It's kind of ugly.
that's
now.
gonna go for sure.
Yeah, okay. I don't like it at all. So
We're gonna find a better shoe storage. We're gonna find a way to store all these clothes and this mess underneath it and all these little items. Oh my god, this corner is so overwhelming if you want to come see it from what I'm seeing. But yeah, so I have a good idea now, so I need to get to work and really make this room amazing, make it clean, make it minimal. Just one last thing, I have homework for my sister. Your homework is to get big bags and go through everything in this room that you don't want. Dump it in the bag. Clothing, shoes. Look, let's see her face, how she feels about that. Clothing, shoes, everything else that you really don't need. Perhaps toys, books. Anything that you want to donate, we're going to donate it. Anything you want to keep. That is your homework for the next week until I come up with a plan for this room, and we're going to take it from there. This is Yara's must-have list. To create a bedroom that is calm and feels more like her. Organizing this space better so that she has more room to move around. Creating storage. Removing all the old furniture that no longer serves us or we have no use for. And lastly, an area for meditation, reading, working, or just hanging out. And she'd like to have maybe 1 or 2 plants that she could probably keep alive.
I have to play with it.
That was good. I will allow you to keep them until you buy new shoes, and this has to happen.
Because I cannot find new shoes that are so good.
Ew. This is the kind of endish result, but not quite. We tried to empty everything out. We just have that corner to clear out and this pile of clothing, which we have to sort into donation and non-donation. And then here, we're gonna repaint these walls into a nice white color. And we're gonna remove this thing. And we're gonna touch up the area here, so everything is gonna look nice and clean. Today we're prepping the space for paint, and we're gonna be going ahead, taping things, protecting the floors, and we're gonna sand down all these walls and give this room a fresh new coat of paint. Yara, are you ready for this?
Yes.
All the walls in Yara's room had major holes in them, and so we had to do a lot of patching and repairing and sanding before we even painted. So the painting process took us a very long time, but it was so worth it in the end because all the walls looked like new. And as you see, we had to be very specific in what we've been doing. We had 5 layers of paint that we had to sand off from previous paint jobs that were not sanded off properly. And so this is our long painting process. It is always really important before painting any space to really prepare the surfaces for the paint, meaning cleaning, taping, including plastic on the floor, and a lot of other things that will prevent you from making a lot of a mess. And at the same time, it'll allow you for really crisp lines. Even though we were painting all the walls in white, we still taped it up to have very crisp lines and make sure that everything is super well done. I went on with the sander a few times and made sure that the walls are extremely smooth so that the paint could stick on them, and then we kept on cleaning them over and over, removing any dust or residue and filling in all the holes first. I have a little surprise for Yara coming up soon for one of the walls, and that's why I was so specific with the way we painted things. Okay, we just received these amazing little pieces for the decal that's gonna go on this wall right behind me. And we're gonna fill this whole thing. That's the only feature wall that's gonna be in the space. As you can see, the paint is ready, it's finished, and we're ready to go. So let's get started. So what we're doing here is we're laying out all the pieces on the floor to make it easier for us to lay it out on this wall. As you can see, there's a lot of pieces and they're fairly small, so we just want to make sure it looks like a wall covering and not just a randomly plotted area. This window is going to be framed as well beautifully, so we have it here. The wall is looking super good as we changed it and sanded off the entire drywall. Okay, there's Yara. She's peeling off the transfer paper from the decal. So this is looking great so far. We still have this entire wall to go. How does this feel, Yara?
Great.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm excited to see it.
Woo! I have sent Yara away at this point as we get ready for the final reveal. I want her away from the room so she can have this element of surprise the moment we reveal it to her. This is the time now to add all the finishing touches and wrap up the room, add all the new furniture that we got, finish up the little accessories that we need, and bringing in those plants and making sure we've hit all of her must-have list. If you remember, Yara's room was a mess. It was not functional. It was all over the place. It was cluttered. It did not really have any consistency or any type of theme. So all of this is changing. I just want to remind you once more of how her current room looked like before we reveal the end result that looks so beautiful. And I really did enjoy this makeover, and I hope you enjoyed this whole process and you've gotten some inspiration from it. Hey guys, we're adding the finishing touches to Yara's room, and I'm gonna bring her in to see the final result. I know she's been helping throughout the whole process, but now she's gonna see the room and get really surprised, hopefully. Okay, Yara, keep your eyes closed. You're gonna, no cheating. Keep the eyes closed. I'm gonna reveal the rooms for you. Come on in. Okay, you can open your eyes.
Ooh. Wow. So different. Ah, nice. Oh.
Okay, so if you see that thing next to you, that is your new work area. So this is your little office. So you can take it, put it on your lap, and you can have your laptop here.
That's how
Amazing. So so do you remember how your room looked like before?
Yes.
Are you happy with how it turned out?
Oh yeah. Yes.
So come open this cabinet.
Oh wow. All my stuff.
All your mess is in here now.
Oh, my earrings. I've seen half of the room come together, but not everything. So this is nice. Oh, I love this. You added this.
Yes.
So nice. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted.
And then now you have super organized shelving. You have everything open. These open metal shelves. They're so pretty. You can put your plants. You can sit. This is a really nice throw that you have. Is that a thank you song or something? Woo!
Thank you, Juju. Thank you for the room.
Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this makeover. It actually took us quite some time because everything took forever to deliver. But are you happy?
Yeah, thank you so much, Jude. I'm excited about this new room. So much stuff that I can do in here, which I'm excited about. I just want to be living in my room during COVID, so.
Amazing. Yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like below. I'll link everything up below. Most of the products we'll try to link, and some of the stuffs are vintage finds, and so I won't have links for that, but try to keep posted, and we'll see you soon. Bye.